Well, hello there, garden friends. I got a special little friend I want to introduce you to. I was doing a little work in my backyard, and I almost stepped on and was doing some, I have a little patch of grass. I was mowing the grass, but I had let it grow a little bit taller than normal because it had been so hot lately. And so I was going to mow it, and then the last little patch of grass I was going to mow, I saw this little beauty crawling her way out. Oh, shoot. And I made sure to stop and grab down and pick her up and take a look. Ooh, sorry, this is a praying mantis, obviously. I'm sure many, ooh, look at that. That was a great jump. They're very athletic. And so this is a wonderful creature to have in your garden. Many of you already know this. They're beneficial organisms, and they eat some of our pest insects as well as some of the cool insects as well. You know, they don't discriminate, and they're very, very good ambush hunters. They're just incredible creatures. We love having them in the garden. Pretty soon I'll be looking all over for their egg cases that'll be out in the garden. And it's just a wonderful creature to have. You don't want to hurt these. They're not harmful to you, and they're just great to have. As a praying mantis, there's many different varieties and species of them all over the planet, and so they're just really cool. This is a really common one that I get to see around here. Sometimes we'll see them slightly different colors, but such a beautiful creature, and it was an honor to be able to hold it for a little while and to not act and make sure that I didn't get to hurt it. So I definitely don't want to ever do that. But what a great little creature. And like I said, you'll start to see these out in the garden. This one's pretty mature. And hopefully I'll get many more of these because they are just wonderful, wonderful creatures to have. I hope you have a lot in your garden. If you have them, they're great. One way to bring them in is to have a garden that is full of flowering plants. Get some compound blossoms that'll lure in some moths and butterflies and pollinators. And then they like to wait up there on those blossoms and hang out and nibble away. So what a great creature. Well, there goes our good little praying mantis friend. Like I said, these are great to have. What a beautiful little creature. It's funny, I just brought my wife out to show her, and right when she saw this big old beauty, she got scared, but just for a moment. It's because it was so surprising to see such a big insect so close up. What a beautiful creature. Love having these in my backyard. I'm sorry I can't get a better image with my phone. But they're, oh, look at that, he's looking right at us. Hey, friend. Oh, look at those big old eyes, compound eyes looking at you. They are so cool. Look at the antenna sticking up. Just such a cool animal, or insect, I suppose. All right, garden friends, till next time, happy gardening. Never stop growing.